how to sign out Outlook app on Android or iOS. So if you want to sign out of your Outlook app on your Android or iOS, then first you just need to simply open up your Outlook application, tap and open up your Outlook. And once you've opened, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that profile or the Google option. Once you're here, you need to go with the settings, which is here on the bottom left. Under settings, now if you scroll down, then you will have accounts option. Tap on accounts, and here you will have an option of add account or create new account. Or here you will have all of the accounts that you've logged in. So you just need to simply choose the account and then scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have remove account option. So simply tap on remove account. Once you tap on remove account, you will be logged out or signed out of your Outlook app on this Android device. So it's basically the same thing on your iOS also. So that's how you can sign out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.